Welcome to our journey into the past and future. We will take a look at a 1993 vision of the future. Keep in mind that the video quality here reflects the year it was made, 1993. Note the script and voice in this video is AI generated. Links to the original ads are in the description below. Let's dive in.
Have you ever renewed your driver's license? At a cash machine?
Nice picture.
You will. And the company that'll bring it to you? AT&T.
Your true voice.
Back in 93, AT&T envisioned renewing your driver's license at an ATM-like machine. Fast forward to 2023, and it's becoming a reality. You're seeing a news article from North Carolina from July 26, 2023. The DMV is making it easier with kiosks in grocery stores. Imagine handling your license or ID while shopping for groceries.
Have you ever watched the movie you wanted to, the minute you wanted to? Learn special things.
That's all taken from jazz.
Know any questions? From faraway places.
Oakland?
So where did jazz come from?
Good question.
Or tucked your baby in. From a phone booth.
AT&T's 93 vision included streaming movies, remote learning, and even video calls. Today, we have Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and many other streaming services. And with education, remote learning is already a thing in many schools. And for some, video calls are a part of some people's daily lives. However, it is interesting they didn't foresee cell phones have made phone booths a relic of the past. It's a reminder of how technology can take unexpected turns.
Have you ever kept an eye on your home when you're not at home? Or gotten a phone call?
Hello.
How was your day?
On your wrist?
Beautiful.
You will.
They introduced remote home security and smartwatch calls. Today, we can achieve remote home security with affordable solutions like Wyze cameras. It's highly recommended in this era of plug-and-play systems. And with smartwatches, this is a common feature on most smartwatches for some time now.
Have you ever opened doors
I'm home.
with the sound of your voice?
Her card, please.
Carried your medical history in your wallet?
Your wife's gonna be just fine.
So this is where we stand on the atrium.
Or attended a meeting
really like what you guys have been doing, but
in your bare feet?
They visioned voice-activated doors, carrying your medical history in your wallet, and attending meetings remotely. While the wallet aspect might not have fully materialized, digital transfer of medical records has been a thing for some time now. Unlocking a door with your voice has been a thing for some time now, and remote meetings have been around for some time. And thanks to the rise of remote work, most who are watching this has dealt with this. The lifestyle of the remote worker, however, doesn't meet reality since reality is far more harsher.
Have you ever had a classmate
Love a bite.
who's thousands of miles away?
Yes.
Hello, I'm calling about the touch-up paint you ordered.
Conducted business in a language you don't understand? Or kept an eye on your home when you're not at home? You will. And the company that'll bring it to you, AT&T.
Finally, they imagined remote classrooms, or what it looks like a video chat, real-time language translation, and securing your home. Today, smart homes with devices like SmartThings make securing your home a breeze, and it lets you control your lights, locks, and other devices remotely. As for the video chat, as mentioned a few times, this has already been a thing for some time. And with modern technology, translating languages in real time is a thing. Some companies worked on smart glasses, which translates and shows what is being said on the glasses. Some use earbuds, and others use your phone. While most of it isn't perfect for real-time translations, it's obvious we are right on the edge for that, and it's just a matter of finding a way to do it without overwhelming the user. As we wrap up our journey into the vision of the future from 1993, it's clear that while the company itself might be a relic of its former self, their foresight was remarkable. Many of the concepts they highlighted, such as video calls and video chats, were already on the horizon, driven by the relentless march of technology and fueled by the influence of movies and popular culture. In fact, AT&T wasn't the sole originator of these ideas, but they played a vital role in expanding and inspiring others. These ads captured the essence of what the future could be like, and it's a testament to how technology has transformed our lives. It's unfortunate that we don't see major companies creating visionary ads like these anymore. Perhaps the initial intent was to attract investors, but the impact of these ads went far beyond that. They ignited our imaginations and fueled the innovation that defines our world today. If you've enjoyed this glimpse into the past and future, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Your support keeps us exploring the exciting intersections of technology and imagination.